Before we start, here is some essential terminology, which I'll leave on screen to make this as easy as possible for you. Step 1. Prepare the sail. Remove any battens and lay the sail out with the foot fully stretched out. This can be done on the boat, but it's much easier on some grass or a pontoon. Step 2. Start folding. Bring the head down towards the foot using a concertina fold or a zigzag. At this stage, you'll almost certainly see the folds in the sail that were put in there by the sailmaker when it was first made. It is easier to fold along these same folds. However, it's better if you don't, because repeatedly folding a sail in the same place will cause a weak spot. So if you can mix things up a little bit, it's better to not follow these original folds. Keep working the head of the sail down towards the foot. Ideally, you want the creases at the tack end to be stacking up on top of each other, and the creases at the clew end to be working inwards towards the centre of the foot. This means the luff is stacked almost vertically and will put a lot less stress on the sail when you go to hoist it and make putting the sail back on your boat a whole lot easier. Step 3. Roll up the sail. I believe rolling the sail is best as it reduces its size without introducing creases. Please note, for the sake of this video, I'm dragging the sail towards me as I roll it so that you can see what I'm doing, but this is not best practice as it picks up dirt and it abrades the sailcloth. So if you want to prolong the life of your sail, you should walk forwards as you roll. Also note that if you have a bolt rope or sail slugs on the foot of your sail, you're better rolling in the other direction, starting at the tack and rolling towards the clew. This means you can feed the clew onto the boom as you unroll the sail, which makes for a cleaner deck and makes things a little bit easier. The mainsail on our boat is loose-footed, so it doesn't matter which way I roll it. Step 4. Stow the sail. Tie the mainsail up with sail ties and stow it in a sail bag for safekeeping.